everything on the order is correct in terms of what was ordered. And I don't think the arm is wrong. What I think is the closer body that you ordered is wrong.
Well, it looks like the closer that's in there's got a diamond-shaped spindle on it.
I agree. Yeah. I can't see it, so I don't really know what's there. But here's what we know. Okay. Here's what we know. It can't be a 700. And the reason is because they don't make an offset arm for a 700. So you might need a 600 body, but you don't because they don't make that shaped spindle on a 600 body. So what that kind of potentially leaves us at is you don't have a Rixson body, or the Rixson closer you have, we just need to identify.
Well, we took the cover off and it said Rixson on the closer, and it said it was a 700 model. And then what is there is a left-hand door. So
it's not a 700, and I've emailed you the catalog. If it's a 700, then they have changed the design at some point.
Well, I thought I looked at an 800 and it had a square spindle.
Well, an 800,
just a little heavier duty, is a bigger spring.
No, the 800 does not have a square spindle. I'm looking at the catalog. The only one that does is the 600.
Well, what was up in there? We read it. We took the cover plate off it and it said it was a 700 Rixson. So I don't know. Thought it said it was a 707, which is a size 7 spring, I guess.
I'm looking at a current Rixson catalog, and it could be that, although I doubt it, that closer has changed over the years. How old do you expect that one could be?
But anyway, I guess we're going to go up there and try to reuse that arm, and hopefully that the piece that slides down in the guide down there in the top of the door will be the same, because it appears that arm may be all right. It's just that the connecting point between the arm and the guide at the top of the door came apart. And if we take that guide out of the arm that you sent me, we'll just use the guide, reuse the old arm. Really ain't much that can go wrong with the arm.
Yeah, right. I agree. The arm's probably not what's wrong. The 700 body is probably what's wrong. However, for what you have, but I'm looking at a 16-year-old catalog. There is apparently something. Yeah. So back in 2010, they did have an offset arm for a 700. Today, they don't list one.
That's what we got. That's what we have, because that thing's more than 15 years old.
That was my question. If I know the vintage of the closer, I can hone in and look at old catalogs.
Well, so it's going to have to be an old catalog. That building's probably been there for 20 years.
Okay, 20 years. All right. So what I've got to do is dig deeper to find a 700 arm that's offset for a square spindle. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to...
No, not for a square spindle, for a diamond-shaped spindle.
Does your closer have
I got a square spindle's arm now. Or find another closer for a square arm? I thought you said they had one back in 2008.
Does the existing closer body have a diamond spindle or a square spindle?
It looks to be a diamond from the picture there.
Okay. So then that means the 700 body that you have has a diamond spindle, the one that we sent you. Okay.
That's why
so then that. All right. And then that means the arm that you ordered is wrong. You ordered an arm for a 600 series.
Well, I called the lady and I said, "Is this arm gonna fit this closer?" She said, "Yeah, okay."
Yeah. At the end of the day, what was ordered is wrong. I don't care how it got wrong. It doesn't matter. We just got to get it right. That's all there is to it. So.
Offset arm to fit that closer. That's what I need.
You want, if I understand correctly, you want an offset arm for the closer body that you ordered. I understand. Okay, I'm going to work. I'm going to call you back.
Yeah, sure. What product?
Thank you. I have an overhead 700 series. I have about a 20-year-old 700. Does Rixson currently offer an offset arm for that 20-year-old closer?
Okay, so could it be potential that you had the old 0700?
Oh yeah, forgive me. I do
offset?
believe it is. I do believe it's an 0700.
Okay, so the 0700 is the one that had that arm with the bend in it to what
Yes.
made it offset. The current 700 is the same body, but it's considered center hung now because the arm, we don't offer that offset arm anymore. We just offer the straight arm. We no longer make the old arm with the bend in it, unfortunately.
Was there a change in the spindle, do you know?
There shouldn't have been. The closer body, to our knowledge, is the exact same. It's just the arm that's packaged with it that made it a 0700 to just a current day 700.
Yeah. This client has he's got a square spindle, though it's set on a diamond, and okay, so that's his issue. So the new 700 is not going to go in. What can I offer him? Will a 600? Will the modern 600 go in there? Let's take a look.
600.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm being fast and loose. I shouldn't be. I'm being an 0608. No, it's not going to fit. No, it's not going to fit. No, that's just a C.R. Lawrence kind of situation. Shoot. Okay, so he's got an old 0700. There is no offset arm for that currently available, and there is no product in your product offering to go onto that 0700. That's an offset arm that's going to fit. They're center hung, and they are the wrong spindle orientation and wrong shape, is what I mean to say. Okay, I understand. And I'm sorry, what is your name? Offers an offset arm for a 700 series. They did once upon a time. That arm, they did 20 years ago. The 0700 is actually what it was. And while it was a square spindle, it was set on a diamond. So the bottom line is it's possibly not your closer body that's bad, but your arm is broken, if I understand. And it's the arm that's the problem. So either getting the arm repaired or, like you had said,
oil, so
okay.
The closure's leaking oil, so it's bad also, whatever.
Oh, okay. So now that we can repair, although that's a different problem. So the bottom line is to do an offset overhead concealed that's going to be that type of size. It's going to require an offset arm is the problem. It's going to require just a different closer installation, and that's the whole problem. I mean, I'm staring at the arm that you need in their 2008 catalog. We got from you folks a 707 rebuilt body. By any chance, would you have an arm for it? An offset arm?
Well, they quit making them. What hand is it?
Left.
We don't have any arms.
So
there's no way that's going to fit.
No, of course not. So we're going to figure out an offset installation or try to help them repair that arm. Closer that you've got, that was discontinued 9 years ago. I've called everyone. There are no parts available, no slide blocks, no arms, et cetera, et cetera. So option one is to somehow get the arm so that it's faithfully repaired and get your closer body repaired. Or
I've already got a closer. I guess we're just going to go out there and see if we can make this thing work out. We can repair, do whatever we can do, and then up to that point, then if we can't, then we're going to have to take take path B, and hopefully it won't come to that. But we'll come to that when time comes. But we're going to have to try to make work what we got for now.
Yeah. So a couple of options.
We can.
So the 91 is the modern overhead concealed that's available with an offset arm. The issue is it's not the identical footprint. The good news is that it's slightly larger, which is bad, but it would be worse if it was smaller. So, longer cutout, reposition the mounting tabs, the day could potentially be saved. Option two could be you turn that into a dummy cylinder, and then you do a you do a surface concealed.
Yeah, we may end up doing that, but we're going to try to repair it as is now. If not, we'll just pull the closure out of it because it's on hinges or it's on pivots. I don't know what it's on. So we don't need a closure up in there at all, period.
Right. But yeah, of course. Forgive me, it's offset.
Back up on it.
Yes, sir.
Toss it out of there and just screw a surface mount on it. If that's what it comes to, that's what.
So I wanted to do just simply a post-mortem on that client's telephone call. He was, he was animated. I was animated because he got me animated, which is regretful to a certain extent. But the bottom line is he ordered a rebuilt 0700 series, and we sent him an 0700 series closer. But then he ordered a 600 series arm. And yeah, in a perfect world, people would have looked at that and said, well, those two don't work together. But it's definitely the wrong arm for the closer application. And the client ordered it because, well, it was the only offset arm he could find, meaning the original offset arm that was available that is not in the current catalog and is not easily found in our website because it's suppressed. It's marked discontinued, so it doesn't come up. So he has an old 0700 series that has an offset arm with a square spindle, but it's set on a diamond. Okay, the current crop of closers from Rixson that have that orientation or that type of arm do not offer, as you heard, a offset arm. The offset arm closer that they offer is the wrong footprint. It's far too small. It's like a typical Jackson overhead closer. There was no arm available from that 0700. I had called a vendor of ours that just simply does not have it. The Rixson 91 is the modern version that has an offset arm, but it's a larger footprint. It's a different footprint. You would have to rework that. I did mention at the end that we could turn it into a dummy. And the reason I suggested so we would turn that closer into a dummy. And when the closer is an overhead concealed or it's a floor closer, most of the time the closer is actually involved in hanging the door. When I said to the client, we would turn it into a dummy, he did say, well, we wouldn't need to do that because this is hung on pivots or butts, whatever he said. And you don't actually need to turn that closer body into a dummy, but you would need to remove it outright. My logic of turning it into a dummy, and I backed off of pushing the point with the client, is that you've got a prep in the header, a closer body up there, and a faceplate attached to that closer body. So if you remove that, he'll have to figure out a way to put the cover plate back up there so that you close off the part of the header. So turning it into a dummy is probably still the best way to go with that. It could be that only the slide block is broken, and that's something that I have considered making on the CNC in the past. If it's just high-tech plastic and geometric shapes, I should be able to make plenty of those. But I've not really replicated a slide block. Anyway, hope this video is of benefit to someone at some point in the future. Thank you.